Yo, what up, guys? Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another Bitcoin video. So we have some pretty cool technical analysis to go over today. Also, guys, we have some breaking news. But before we jump into any of that, please do subscribe to the channel, as not only do I cover Bitcoin, but we pretty much cover all news related to cryptocurrency here on the channel. That being said, let's go ahead and jump into this chart on TradingView and jump into some TA, guys, or technical analysis, right? I feel like we're on a bullish reversal, guys. As you know, those spot Bitcoin ETFs had a huge hype leading up to about 49,000, and people decided to sell the news, as a lot of people predicted, right? That's definitely not outlandish at all, guys. A lot of people expected that to happen, and we went down all the way about to almost the $38,000 mark, right? So we did reverse, and we bounced off of this 38 pretty hard, guys. We just broke $43,000 today, and in my opinion, I think we're set for a bull run, guys. Honestly, with the halving event coming up, and also elections coming up, guys, if we get a crypto-friendly president here in the US, and then also I think that these ETFs are going to have a long-term positive impact on Bitcoin as well. So I think we're gonna start to see that play out. But yeah, guys, that's kind of just my little TA of what's going on right now. We are breaking out right now, and things are looking pretty bullish, guys. But here's this article on CNBC that kind of shares the same sentiment as I do. Let's go ahead and jump into it. It says Bitcoin bounces above $43,000, turns positive for 2024. Now, this article just got published like an hour ago, guys. Let's go ahead and jump into it, right? So the price of Bitcoin broke above the $43,000 level on Monday as the cryptocurrency extended its gains. Bitcoin was trending higher by 2.93% at $43,097.35 according to Coinmetrics. Bitcoin has fought back into the green for the year following steep losses after long-awaited approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Bitcoin closed out 2023 around the $42,000 level. It is now up about 1.25% for 2024. Again, guys, those spot ETFs were definitely buy the rumor, sell the news event, right? But if you look at the long term of what those spot ETFs mean, it is completely bullish, guys. And I'm going to keep saying it here, and we're already starting to see it play out. I think this whole narrative is going to change on Bitcoin, essentially, because you have pretty much the biggest money in the world, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, pushing Bitcoin, essentially, right? So when you think of marketing budgets, these people have they can control the whole narrative of the whole world, guys. Like, it's that kind of money. If they want Bitcoin, if they want everybody to look at Bitcoin like it's the greatest currency ever invented, then that's what will happen. And I think the shift is going to start happening here pretty soon, guys. We're going to see Bitcoin pushed in another way that we've never seen before. And yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm just very, very bullish here. I think that was such a huge move when the SEC did approve these Bitcoin ETFs, guys. It's just going to shift this whole narrative. But anyways, I won't get off too far on that tangent. Ether rose 2.06 to $2,304, and Solana tokens and Cardano or ADA led the crypto market gains. They rose 6.8% and 7.4% respectively. So again, guys, when Bitcoin pumps, you have to understand like the top 100 that are super correlated, like tightly correlated with Bitcoin, are going to absolutely thrive, in my opinion. I think alts are going to have a huge run if Bitcoin decides it wants to go off on its run, right? That's just kind of the way I've kind of predicting the market, I guess, right? Bitcoin ETFs have been the biggest driver of the cryptocurrency's price action in recent weeks. Outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF has disappointed some investors who shook off those worries last week as they appeared to taper off. While the ETFs are still the main driver, they're not the only one. Investors are watching how macro influences impact price. In particular, this week, the Federal Reserve's policy meeting will begin Thursday. Investors are nearly certain the central bank will keep the rate steady, but they're hoping for a hint from the Fed that it will begin cutting rates soon, maybe even soon as March. Lower rates could boost overall risk taking in both the tech sector, both positive factors for Bitcoin. So it's not just the ETFs, guys. There's a lot going on in the world right now, macroeconomically, I guess you could say, that could positively affect Bitcoin. And yeah, just again, guys, I can go back to several catalysts that I think are going to launch Bitcoin to the moon this year. But yeah, we'll keep it at that for today. I do appreciate everybody's time for taking out of their day to watch my video. Sorry, I kind of stumbled across that, but yeah, I just appreciate you guys, and everybody that smashes the like, that leaves a comment, much appreciated, guys. Like, I can't even stress it enough. Honestly, you guys motivate me to make these daily crypto videos, and as long as you guys keep liking them, I'll keep making them. So appreciate y'all. It's Crypto Ether, and I am out of here, guys. Peace.